Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm going to show you how to create your templates for Generico, at least 4 of them for now. First thing we're going to do is go into the admin. Next, we're going to simply add Generico in the search engine. Hit that. Now you need to have the filter. So it's not enough to have the plugin, which usually comes with Moodle, but you need to have the filters or you're not going to be able to see templates for, notice here, Generico. So we'll hit the templates for Generico. And then you'll probably have something here, but you can remove it and you can just keep adding. So let's go into the first one. Notice a bundle. Now you don't have to do all of this. It's going to be done automatically from another site. This one by Stefan Lehmann, Generico Filtered Templates. Now you don't have to sign in or sign up. I'll share the link with you. You just go into bundles on the left there, and then you're going to choose and do it for these: Google Edit, Google Form, Google PDF, and that's it. Oh, and Google Present, of course, for the presentation. Now, let's start with the first one, Google Edit. We hit that, and then we get all this information. We're going to go into download raw file. So we download that into our computer. There it is. And now we're going to go back into NEP as the admin. And this time we are going to drag what we had downloaded. So here we go. Let's drag it. Okay, the Google Edit 2023 text. That's it. Okay. It may seem complicated, but it was all ready for you. And that's why I want to thank Stefan for doing this. Thank you very, very much. Right, we're going to scroll all the way down and save changes. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, so let's go into home here, and I'm going to go into a sandbox that I created, and you can visit the sandbox as the admin of this site if you're taking my Moodle course on Moodle AI for admin. We're going to go into the sandbox here, right? And I'm going to go into, doesn't matter, just any form or any editor. In this case, let me go into Poodle here, all right? And then I'll just reply just to show you. Now, if you see a blank, okay, like this with no editor, you go into advanced. Now, notice here, even before you open it up, there is your Generico widgets, because what we did, the template is actually now a widget. Or we can go into insert and we will find it if we scroll down. There's Generico widgets. So let's go into the widgets. Google Edit, going to paste it, insert. Notice I can also hyperlink it. A word, if I add, for example, CO26, and you'll see what that looks like. Let me insert, and then let me post to forum so you can see it. Notice there it is. I'll just open it up, and here it is. Okay, so isn't that wonderful? Let me just turn that off, and there it is. So that students can view it, of course. They can also, if they have editing rights, they can edit and so on. And notice I haven't even signed in, but you can request edit. Let me show you what it looks like without the CO being hyperlinked. Let me add that again. Let me just get rid of that. Go into, once again, Generico, hit that, Google Edit, and then I'm just going to paste the link. And that's how you do it with all the others as well, with the bundle. And there it is, exactly the same, but notice the difference. Here it's right in front of you, and with the hyperlink, there it is. It's just the word. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. And enjoy the course if you're taking Moodle Admin with AI with me.